In this video, we are going to introduce you to Zoho bots on SalesIQ using the live chat feature. In Zoho, Zobot is the AI-powered chatbot framework inside Zoho SalesIQ that lets you build custom bots to engage with website visitors, qualify leads, answer frequently asked questions, and even trigger workflows in your Zoho apps or third-party systems. Let's jump into SalesIQ to see where bots are configured. Open SalesIQ from your navigation and go to Settings. Under Bot, select Zobot. Let's click on the Builder's Excellence to see how this has been set up. Please note, you may need some technical assistance to configure a Zobot. In this video, I'm going to show you an example bot that has already been configured and how to access the training resources to create your own custom bot. Let's start with the audience criteria. At the top, you can see Bot Profile, Configurations, and Codeless Bot Builder. Over to the right, there's also a preview of the bot. Then, click on Profile. Here, enter a name, description, and choose a brand. Here, the brand is linked to Builder's Excellence website. Then click Next. Bot Audience. This determines which visitors will see the bot. Ours is set to visitor type is all, meaning everyone will have access. Aside from all, you can narrow it down to more specific types. To customize this, you can click on Add Rule and set a criteria, such as new visitors, returning visitors, CRM leads or contacts, company visitors, and more. Then below is the bot initiates the conversation. This tells the bot when to start chatting. Here, it's set to trigger when visitors click the chat widget, as well as settings for response interval and delays. Once you are done with the configuration, click Next. Bot Builder. This is where you design your conversation flow. We are using the codeless Bot Builder, so you can visually create and edit without any coding required. From here, you can click into any of these sections to adjust your bot's rules, triggers, and conversation paths to fit your customer engagement strategy. If we click on this icon, we can see what a completed bot looks like. Let's try to engage. You can see which button or transition lights up green, which means it triggered in the flow. Let's now open this bot on the website to see the process in action. It's important to remember the purpose of a bot is to engage with customers and convert them into inquiries. So the bot should be configured to capture the customer information as quickly as possible. So the first question in this example is asking the customer if they want to chat to an expert. Here on the bot you can see where this is configured. Let's click on Yes Please to see what happens next. You can see that Builder's Excellence is now responding. This bot has been set up to ask for their name and email address. Once this is completed, it will continue the conversation using the customer responses and bot process. You can either automate the entire conversation using AI-powered automations or alert your team to answer the call and engage with the customer directly. Each conversation is recorded and a full transcript can be viewed in Zoho SalesIQ. In Builder's Excellence, we also have an exclusive integration to Zoho CRM to automatically create a sales inquiry. From SalesIQ, the find and add process is automatically run and creates the inquiry record for your sales pipeline. Ensure no customer is ever duplicated. To learn more, refer to the resources section for additional information.